Good evening, students and parents. Today we are going to organize English debate of class 6. So here our 8 candidates, one by one. ये introduction देंगे. Yes.
My name is Priyanshu Kumar. I am from class 6.
Myself Vaibhav Singh from class 6.
Myself Nishant Kumar from class 6.
Myself Pratyusha from standard 6.
Myself Ragini Kumari from class 6.
I am Kumari Urvasi from class 6.
My name is Srishti Singh from class 6.
I am Sadhana Singh from standard 6.
तो डिबेट शुरू होने से पहले मैं थोड़ा पैटर्न बताता हूँ डिबेट का. तो दे आर 4 सेक्शन. ओके, पहला होगा पैसेज सेक्शन. एक एक पैसेज बच्चों को पढ़ना होगा और उसका आंसर देना होगा क्वेश्चन पढ़ के. सेकेंड जो होगा वो होगा ग्रामर सेक्शन. ग्रामर के क्वेश्चन होंगे, 5 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे ईच स्टूडेंट से. थर्ड हमारा आपके लिटरेचर से एमसीक्यू आएगा और फिर सब्जेक्टिव एमसीक्यू, सॉरी लिटरेचर. ओके, तो नाउ वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट रागिनी कुमारी. पैसेज को पढ़ना है जोर से. पैसेज पढ़िए.
The Aryans were keen hunters and caught lions in snares and hunted boars with dogs. But their favorite sport was racing in chariots drawn by swift horses. After the races, they had open air dancing and singing. Like other ancient people, they worshipped at first many gods of nature. The gods of the sky, the swift moving the sun god, the god of the storm. For a long time, their chief god was Indra. Later, there grew up the great Hindu religion. As centuries passed, the Aryans settled and developed their farming and trade in the conquered lands. The people became divided in the 4 main castes: the Brahmans, the Kshatriyas, the Vaisyas, and the Sudras. The duties of these 4 groups were described in ancient book of laws called the Manu Sanhita or the Laws of Manu.
Okay, first question: why did the Aryans keep dogs?
The Aryans were dogs to keep hunters and caught lions in snares and hunted boars with dogs.
Okay, second, in what way were the Aryans a courageous people? In what way were the Aryans a courageous people? कैसे आपको पता चला कि वो साहसी थे? Because they are keen hunters and caught lion in snares. क्योंकि वो शेरों का शिकार करते थे. Third, where were the duties of the Vaisyas written? कहाँ लिखा गया ये सारा ड्यूटीज उनका? पैसेज में ही आंसर है.
The duties of the four groups were described in ancient book of laws called the Manu Sanhita or the Laws of Manu.
हाँ, मनु संहिता. Okay. Fourth question. Who was the most important Aryan god?
The god was Indra.
Yes. The god Indra was the most important Aryan god. Fifth question. What were the occupation of the Aryan when they became divided into 4 castes?
The Brahmans, the Kshatriyas, the Vaisyas and the Sudras.
क्वेश्चन है व्हाट वेर द ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द आर्यंस. आर्यंस का ऑक्यूपेशन क्या था जब उन्हें 4 कास्ट में डिवाइड किया गया?
Farming and trade.
फार्मिंग एंड ट्रेड. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉरी पैराग्राफ फॉर यू. पढ़िए पैराग्राफ पढ़िए.
Kalidas is known as the Shakespeare of India. His name has been immortal in the history of Sanskrit literature. He was at the head of the celebrated 9 gems which adorned the court of Vikramaditya. The poems and dramas of Kalidas have elicited unreserved praise not only from Indian scholars but even from European critics like Max Muller. The age in which Kalidas flourished and the place where he was born are matter of dispute. But true genius is independent of time and place, and although the century of Kalidas is for more remote, his fame is shining with undiminished grandeur even in our days.
Okay, first question, who is the Shakespeare of India?
Kalidas.
Second question, who was Max Muller? Max Muller. Who was Max?
European critics.
Yes, Max Muller was a European critics. Third, what is the opinion of Max Muller regarding Kalidas?
The poems and dramas of Kalidas have elicited unreserved praise not only from Indian scholars but even from European critics like Max Muller.
Okay, fourth, why is Kalidas fame shining even in our own days?
True genius is independent of India and place, and although the century of Kalidas is for more remote, his fame is shining with undiminished grandeur even in our own days.
Last question, who adorned the court of Vikramaditya?
Kalidas was at the head of the celebrated 9 gems which adorned the court of Vikramaditya.
Very good. Next passage. Passage read करेंगे.
Mohan was a stupid man. One night he woke up and saw something moving in the garden. It seemed to be moving towards the house. That is a thief. He bowed and took his gun and shot at him. Then he went back to bed because he was too frightened to go out of the house in the dark. The next morning Mohan went out and saw one of his wheel shirts being the clothes lying in the garden. His wife and washed in the day before and hung it out to dry. Now it had a bullet hole right through the middle of it. My God, said Mohan, I was lucky last night. If I had been wearing that shirt, the bullet would have killed me. And he called his neighbors together and asked them to thank God for saving him. Neighbors laughed at his folly and went to back after taking a cup of tea.
Okay. First question, when did Mohan wake up?
One midnight he wake up and saw something moving in the garden.
एक क्वेश्चन था, एक ही आंसर आना चाहिए. One midnight he wake up. Second question, what did he see?
See something moving in the garden.
He saw something moving in the garden. Third, what did he do? फिर उसने क्या किया? When he saw something moving in the garden, what he did? Answer is here. He took his gun and shot at him. Fourth, why did he go back to bed after that? Why did he go back to bed after that?
सर नहीं दिख रहा है.
सामने इधर है. वो छोड़ दिए. ऐसे ही वो निकाल दिए. Why did he go back to bed after that? फिर उसके बाद वो बेड पे सो क्यों गया? उसे तो चोर दिखा था. ओके, अंधेरे में जाने से उसे डर लग रहा था. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डिड मोहन आस्क हिज नेबर्स? उसने अपने पड़ोसियों से क्या पूछा? Very good. He called his neighbor, thank God for saving him. Okay, go. दिख रहा है आपको? सामने. वो हाँ, इसमें बोलिए पैसेज
Vikram
बोलिए बोलिए
Vikram was a king. He was a famous for his wisdom and judgment. One day the king's man brought two women and a baby to the court. These women were two sisters, Radha and Kamla. They were quarreling over the baby. Both of them were claiming to be the real mother of the baby. King Vikram asked one of his men to bring him a sword. The man bowed the sword. The king asked the man to cut the baby into two halves and give one half to each woman. Hearing this, Radha started crying. She requested the king not to cut the baby and give the baby to Kamla. The king ordered his man to give the baby to Radha as she is real mother. The king put Kamla in jail.
Okay, first question. Whom did the king's men bring before him one day? Whom did the king's man bring before him one day? किसे लाया था वो राजा के सामने?
A baby.
Only baby. Two women and a baby to the court. Second, what was the cause of quarrel between two sisters?
The quarrel between two sisters who was the real mother of the baby.
Okay, over the baby. Third, what did the king ask the man to do with the sword?
The king said that the baby cut in two halves and divide to two women and give him half part.
Okay, he told cut the baby into two halves. Last question. Why did Radha requested the king to give the child to Kamla?
She requested the king to give the child to Kamla because she does not want to baby cut in two halves part.
Because she was his real
Mother.
Okay, go. दिख रहा है आपको? आएंगे सामने? Okay, passage.
Distance in large cities are long. All the people do not have their own means of transport. They have to depend upon the state or private buses. The number of bus user is very large. Every bus stop is therefore crowded. The number of buses is not adequate. Thus, people suffer the dirt of long wait at the bus stop. Some bus stops are quite orderly. People from quiz and get in the buses turn by turn. However, after this, order is forgotten and confusion spreads when the bus comes and the law of jungle prevails.
Okay, first question. What happens when the people do not have their own means of transport? What happens when people do not have their own means of transport? जब अपना गाड़ी ना हो तो क्या करते लोग?
Distance in large cities are long, so all people do not have their own.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? आंसर क्या होगा? कोई बता सकता है? Yes, Priyanshu.
When people don't have their own means of transport, they depend on state or public buses.
Yes, they have to depend upon the state or private buses. Second question, why are the bus stop crowded? Why are the bus stop crowded? इतना भीड़ क्यों रहती है बस
The
स्टॉप
number of buses users is very large. Every bus stop is therefore crowded.
Yes, the number of passengers are very large. Third, what happens when the bus comes at the bus stop? What happens when the bus comes at bus stop?
Some bus stops are quite orderly. People from queues and get in the buses by turn.
Turn by turn. Okay. From the passage, find and write and say opposite word of order. Order का opposite.
Disorder.
Disorder. Nice. Fifth option है. What does the word adequate mean? Adequate. Much, proper, sufficient या just? Anybody?
So sufficient.
Sufficient. Adequate means क्या होता है?
Sufficient.
हिंदी में क्या होता है?
मतलब
एडिक्वेट यानी कि पर्याप्त, पर्याप्त मात्रा में. सफिशिएंट मींस भी वही होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट पैसेज.
Some of the Deepak's old friends were going to see a cricket match. Deepak was also with them. They were talking about the wisdom of the old people. They all agreed that old people were wiser than you young people. Then one of his friends said, young men are stronger than old. Except Deepak, all of them agreed that this was true. Deepak said, no, I am as strong now as when I was a young man. What do you mean? Said his friends. How is that possible? Explain yourself. Well, said Deepak, in one corner of my field there is a rock. When I was a young man, I used to try to move it, but I could not because it was not strong enough. I am an old man now, and when I try to move it, I still cannot. All the friends laughed at him.
Laughed at him. Okay. First question, where was Deepak going with his old friends?
Deepak was going to see a cricket match with his friends.
Nice. Second, what were they talking about?
They were talking about the wisdom of the old people.
Third, what did they all agree except Deepak? What did they all agree except Deepak?
They agreed on young men are strong than old men, except Deepak.
Yes. Fourth, what did one of the friends say then? एक दोस्त ने क्या कहा?
What do you mean? Said his friends.
He said, what do you mean? How is that possible? Okay, last. What did Deepak say?
Deepak said, no, I am as stronger now as when I was a young man.
Okay, very good. Next candidate, Vaibhav Singh. Passage.
The bishop, a nice old man, lived with his sisters and housekeeper, Madame Mangalore, in a small house in French town. They were very poor as the bishop gave away all that he had to the needy. One evening, Madame Mangalore came with the news that a stranger was in town and that he had been turned away from every door on account of his great appearance. The stranger was one Jean Valjean, a released convict having spent 19 years in the galleys, low-flat vessels. He had stolen a loaf of bread for his sister's starving children and had been sent to the galleys for 5 years, which was afterwards lengthened to 19 years for his attempting to escape. The savagery of the punishment made him hard-headed and brutish, and he was in the town looking around in vain for any helping hand.
Okay, first question. Who was Madame Mangalore?
Madame Mangalore was the housekeeper of Bishop.
Yes. What was news brought by Madame Mangalore one evening?
One evening, Madame Mangalore came with the news that a stranger was in town and that he had been turned away from every door on account of his bright appearance.
Very good. Third, who was this stranger?
The stranger was Jean Valjean.
Jean Valjean, a released convict having 19 years in galleys. Okay, fourth, why was Jean Valjean punished? क्यों सजा दिया गया था उसे?
because he had stolen a loaf of bread for his sister's starving children.
Yes. Fifth, why was Jean Valjean so brutal?
Jean Valjean was so brutal because the severity of the punishment made him hard-hearted and brutish.
Yes. Very good. Last passage for Priyanshu.
Newspapers, writing paper, printing paper, typewriting paper, working paper, cord paper, carbon paper, wallpaper, stamp paper. Who can deny that paper is one of the most useful articles in man's daily life? Yet, man did not invent paper. The real inventors are the wasps who peel away tiny wood saving from filth, pots and tree turn and
आप कैसे पढ़ रहे हो? 6th क्लास ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है. आगे आइए, धुंधला दिख रहा है तो खोलिए उसको. वो कहाँ है माइक? इसमें पढ़िए. सामने आ जाओ. हाँ, अच्छे से रीडिंग अच्छे से करना है.
tree turns and chew them to a fine pulp from which they make the grey paper walls of their nests. Who were the first paper makers amongst men? Thousands of years ago, the people of Egypt made a kind of paper from the pit of the papyrus plant, which grew in marshes near the river Nile. Papyrus paper was made in long rolls, and the books written on it were rolled up, not cut into pages. On one ancient book, which is to be seen in the British Museum in London, is 120 feet long.
Okay, first question. Name 3 different type of paper.
Newspaper. 3 different types of paper are newspaper, carbon paper, and wallpaper.
Okay, nice. Who invented paper? Who were the first paper maker amongst men?
Amongst men, Egyptian people make a kind of paper.
Okay, next. How do the wasps make paper wall of their nest?
The wasps who peel away tiny wood saving from face post and trees trunk and chew them to a fine pulp from which they make the grey paper wall of their nests.
Okay. Last question. Where can an ancient book which is 120 feet long be seen?
The book, which is 120 feet long, seen in British Museum in London.
British Museum in London. Very good. Go. Okay. So passage is over. Now we have turned to grammar section. So first for Agri. Yes. First option बताना है. You tie hair can your. Option number B. Absolutely right. Next. seas or trees? No. It's option number A, scheme and team. Last question for you. Choose the option which use the word fetch correctly. जो वर्ड फेच है उसका सही यूज किस सेंटेंस में किया गया है?
सिस्टम के अंदर न्यूक्लियस पे खड़े हैं तो वहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं, सिस्टम के बाहर खड़े हैं तो वहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं, ठीक है? और बाहर की बात है
Fetch me a glass of water. Very good. It's right option because fetch means लाना होता है. मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाओ. Okay, next candidate. First question.
Option number A.
Option I can stay out until the clock strike 12. Very good. Second.
ये R है या ये sin square है तो ये भी होगा इसका
Option number C.
रेडियल से लेकिन
She was hiding under the table. Very good. Third. A place where books are issued and returned after reading it.
Library.
Library. Next. One who eats everything.
Omnivorous.
Omnivorous. Last question. Choose the plural of the given word. Father-in-law. Father-in-law.
Option number A.
Father-in-laws. No. Yes. बोलिए.
Option number C.
Option number C. Fathers-in-law. Father-in-law नहीं fathers-in-law. Okay. Next candidate. First question. Choose the word from दिख रहा है ना? Choose the correct word from the given set of words. One who looks at the bright side of things. जो हमेशा पॉजिटिव चीजों को देखता है. Pessimist, optimist, atheist, omniscient. बड़ा करो.
Option number A.
Option number A, pessimist. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
It's wrong. तो right क्या है?
Omniscient.
Option B, optimist. Next question. Choose the opposite gender of fox.
Option number C.
Vixen. Very good. Change the given sentence into negative sentence. My father works at a factory. My father works at a factory.
Option number C.
My father does not work at a factory. Very good. Next question. Capital is the of India, Delhi. Rearrange.
Option number D.
D. Yani Delhi is the capital of India. Very good. Last question. Is clean before his room leaves makes sure.
Option number D.
Option number D. Before he leaves, make sure his room is clean. Okay. Next candidate. दिख रहा है? ये सामने भी आ सकती है. First question. Choose the opposite gender of potter.
C. Potter.
C. Portress. Right answer. Find the plural of hobby.
D.
Hobbies. ये भी right. Next. Wake up me morning in early day.
A.
A. We wake up early in the morning is right. Name the type of given sentence. Please bring me a glass of water. कौन सा sentence है? Exclamatory, interrogative, negative, imperative.
Imperative.
Imperative. Option number
D.
D is right. Next, name the tense of the given sentence. I have just received the letter. कौन सा सेंटेंस है? I have just received the letter.
Option number B.
ऑप्शन बी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वेरी गुड. इनका ऑल राइट हुआ. नेक्स्ट काना. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Option number D.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी. माय पेरेंट्स रीड द न्यूज़पेपर डेली. वेरी गुड. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. ऑप्शन नंबर
B.
The money must have fallen out of my pocket. It also right. Third, choose the correctly spell. किसका स्पेलिंग सही है?
Option number D.
हम्बल का ही स्पेलिंग होता है HUMBAL. It's wrong. Yes, Vaibhav.
Option number second, youngster.
यंगस्टर स्पेलिंग इज राइट. बाकी सब में प्रॉब्लम है. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द प्लूरल ऑफ डियर.
C. Dear.
डियर का डियर प्लूरल होता है. नाइस. नेक्स्ट. दे डैश कार्ड सिंस 10 am.
Option number D. Have been playing.
They have been playing cards since 10 am. Okay. Right answer. Next candidate. Somebody broke in last night and stole.
Option number A.
Their stereo. Their stereo.
B.
No. B is also wrong. Yes, Priyansu.
Our.
Option number C. Our stereo. Somebody broke in last night and stole our stereo. Next. Dash art of origami comes dash Asia.
Option number A.
Option number A is right. The art of the origami comes from Asia. Next. They had dash looks on their faces.
Option number B.
Option number B is right. Next, the trains are dash on time.
Option number D.
Option number D is right. The trains are generally on time. Next question. He caught eating his dash during the lecture.
Option number C.
Option number
C.
C. He caught eating his nails.
Option number B.
B. Tiffin. He caught eating his tiffin during the lecture. Next. Rearrange the word in order to form a meaningful sentence. Choose the correct sequence. बिना ऑप्शन का है.
He likes to do shopping occasionally.
हाँ. He likes to do shopping occasionally. Okay. Next. Vaibhav. Rearrange.
B.
B. What time do you finish work? Is right answer. Plural for mouse.
Mice.
Option
C.
Option C is also right. Choose the synonyms for polite. Synonyms of polite.
A.
A. A में क्या लिखा है?
Courteous.
Courteous. Okay, next. Choose the correctly spelled word. इनमें से एक स्पेलिंग जो है वो सही है.
Eminent. Option C.
Option number C is right. Last question. Select the opposite gender of which?
Option number D. Wizard.
Wizard is also right. Very good. Last candidate, your first question. Fast.
Option number D.
Option number D. यानी BDAC, I like listening to music in the evening. Okay, right answer. Next, change the given imperative sentence into assertive sentence. Let me do the work.
Option number C.
Option number C, I should do the work. Very good. Next, बहुत जल्दी। ऑप्शन नंबर सी, यानी देयर वेयर 3 cakes on the plate. Very good. Right answer. Next, name the type of noun underlined in the given sentence. Bookcase and library. Which type of noun these are?
Option C.
Option C.
No, B.
B. Bookcase common noun or library collective noun. Is it right?
No, sir.
What is the right answer?
Option number D.
Option number D. Common noun. Both are common noun. Okay, next. One who offer one service for free. जो फ्री में सर्विस देता हो.
Option C.
Option C, volunteer is right answer. Okay, so our grammar section is also finished. Now we are going to literature section. Five questions for each student. Okay, first.
Option number C.
One second. Option number
C.
Option number C is right.
Yes.
Who came out from the cottage? An old man. Second, question पढ़ के बोलना है. Who often travel in disguise to the world of men and women?
Option number D.
Option number D, Zeus and Hans. Third, what was in the jug?
Option number A.
Option number A, means milk is right. On which mythology is the story based?
Greek mythology.
Greek mythology is also right. Who came back to check how the old couple were?
Option number C.
Option number C, Zeus and Hans is also right. All right. Next candidate. First question. Who were dejected?
Option number A.
Option number A, Anjali and Rahul is right. Second, what was their mother doing?
Option number C.
Reading a magazine. Yes, reading a magazine is right. Third, who was happy to see that children had made a snow figure?
Option number A.
Option number A is always also right. Fourth, who advised the children to give hot milk to snow figure?
Option number A.
Option number A, their father is right. What happened to the snow figure in the blanket?
Option number C.
The snow figure melted is also right. Very good. Next candidate. First question. Who live in a burrow in the forest?
Option number C.
Option number C means hare is right. Next. What was the little elephant munching happily?
Option number B.
A banana tree is also right. Who was bigger according to the villagers?
Option number B.
Option B, hare is right. Fourth, who did notice the elephant and the hare passing by?
Option number A.
Option number A means farmers is right. Last question for you. Who know that the hare had won by loud cunning?
Option number A.
Option number A means
Elephant.
elephant. who know that the hair had worn by locally.
Yes, sir.
Is right. All right again. Next candidate. First question. Who was Ronak Singh?
A king.
Ronak Singh was
A king.
a king. Which of the following quality did the princess have?
All of those.
All of these. She was very beautiful, great athlete, and kind and generous. Third, who gave 3 pearls to the prince?
Lord Shiva. Option number C.
Option number C, Lord
Shiva.
Shiva is right. Fourth, who begged Lord Shiva for his blessing?
Option number B. The prince.
The prince is also right. Next and last,
The
who
prince.
won the race?
The prince. Option
The
number A.
prince won the race is right. Okay, लिटरेचर की तैयारी आप देख सकते हैं, एक भी गलत अभी तक नहीं हुआ गर्ल्स की तरफ से। अब बॉयज को देखते हैं। कान्हा, your first question, who had acute back problem?
Rohit. Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर
B.
बी यानी रोहित।
Yes.
रोहित को बैक प्रॉब्लम था।
Yes.
अपने बुक में तो साइकिल लगाया था।
रोहित को था।
रोहित ना। ओके, राइट आंसर। सेकंड, what did Rohit and Sagar talk about?
Option number D.
Option number D, about the world outside
Window.
window. Next question, whom did the doctor say to sit for 1 hour in the afternoon to get fresh air?
Option number C. Sagar.
Option number C, Sagar is right. Next question, whom did the nurse find dead one morning?
Option number E. Sagar.
Option number
D. Sagar.
D, Sagar. Okay, last question. Who looked at Rohit with a sad look?
Nurse.
Nurse is also right. Okay. Again, all right. Next, Nishan. First question, who was the only son of Babur?
Option number D, Humayun.
Humayun is right. Who fell seriously ill?
Option number B, Humayun.
Humayun again, right. According to the doctor, the grand life is in
Option number D, Allah's hands.
Allah's hand. Okay, is also right. Babur passed the prescription on to the
Option number D,
chief minister.
Chief Minister.
Is right. Fifth, who sacrificed his her life to save Humayun's life? Who sacrificed his her life to save Humayun's
Option
life?
number A, Babur.
Option number A, Babur is right. Okay, again all right. Next, Vaibhav Singh. First question. The village has plenty of resources of which help to grow crops well.
Water. Option number C.
Option number C, water is right. Next, how old was Millie?
Mailing was 6 years old.
Millie was 6 years old. Option number 2. Millie's parents wanted to celebrate
Her birthday party.
her birthday
Party.
party. Okay. Next, once again the village had cool and water
Fresh water.
fresh. Who was covered in mud?
A lion cub.
Option number
C.
Option number C, a lion cub is also right. Next and last candidate. First question. What was the king known for?
Option number D.
Option number D means his generosity and benevolence. Second, who had the council of land minister?
The king.
The king or Chandev? The king.
Chander.
The king. The king. The king.
Okay, next. By whom was the king cow hold? By whom was the king cow hold?
Option number D.
Option number D, by a cannibal tribe. 4. The king was not fit for the sacrifice because
Option number D.
the king did not have one finger. Yes. Right answer? Last. Who was pleased with the minister reply?
The king.
The king. What's the name?
The king.
The king is also right. Okay, very good. All candidates are quite right. But now we are going to subjective question. Okay, one by one. Ask for the first question for Agni. Who was Zeus and Hermes?
Zeus is a god and Hermes is her son.
Sir.
Yes. Kana.
Zeus was a Greek god and Hermes is his son.
Yes, sir.
Zeus was the Greek god and Hermes was his son. Next candidate. Where did they stay at night?
They stayed night at the old couple house.
The old couple house. Explain करना है, ज़्यादा वर्ड में बोलना है, ठीक है? Next. Who lived in the thatched cottage?
The old couple lived in the thatched cottage.
Next. Why did the two gods want to grant one wish of the old couple?
The two gods want to do a grant one wish of the old couple because they are very kindness and hospitable. They impressed with his kindness and hospitable. They want to give him a great reward.
Okay. Next. Patius. What quality of the old couple impressed Zeus and Hermes?
The kindness and the hospitality of the old couple impressed the Zeus and Hermes.
Okay, next. Why did Zeus decide to change the old couple into trees?
Before the Zeus, the old couples wish that they want to live together forever and never be parted. That's why Zeus changed them into two trees, oak tree and a lime tree, side by side.
Yes. Next candidate for your question. What does the children want?
Both Anjali and Rahul were dejected because they were not playing outside their house. They were very sad and they wanted to play outside the house. But their mother did not order them to play out because she was worried that they would get cold. So the children wanted to play outside.
Okay. In which chapter this question is taken?
This question is taken from the chapter 3rd and the snow figure.
The snow figure. Okay, next. Where was their father?
Their father was on his night
On his night duty. Okay, next question. Was their mother happy to see the snow figure made by the children?
Yes, their mother are happy to see the snow figure made by the children.
Next. How did their father react when he noticed the little white stranger playing with the children?
What nonsense, their father said Rahul and Anjali to bring a hot milk for the stranger and a blanket.
Yes. Next. What happened to the snow figure at last?
At last, the snow figure was melted.
At last the snow figure was
Melted.
Next. Who lived in the jungle?
A large group of elephant and hare live in the jungle.
Okay, name the chapter.
Chapter 4.
Name.
Hare and elephant.
Here
No, sir.
The intelligent hare.
The intelligent
Hare.
is chapter name. Okay, next. Patius. Question. What was the young elephant doing? Why did he almost choke?
The young elephant was munching a banana tree and he almost choked because, at the silication of hair.
Silication of
Hair.
hair. Next. What did the hare say about human beings?
The hare say about human beings that human beings are the cleverest one of all and they are the best judge for them.
Very good. Next question. What did the villager comment when he saw the hare and the young elephant?
When the villagers saw the hare, one of the villagers said that he had not seen the hare ever in his life because the hare looked very large, but the young elephant was very small, very young. So the other villagers said that the young elephant is small and he is not at the age the hare had.
Yes. Next candidate. Why was the elephant baffled?
The elephant was baffled because he knew that the hare was being by his clever. He saw his disgust to.
Anyone else? Yes.
Elephant was baffled about after this elephants listening the opinion of villager about him. The villager said that elephant is small and large, hair is large. The elephant disgusted to her answer and said to hare, "Get out of my way." Get out.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
otherwise a small elephant cross a big hare like you.
Okay. So next question for Agni. How did the hare won?
The hare won by the low cunning.
By
Low cunning.
low cunning. बहुत शॉर्ट आंसर आ रहा है. What were the qualities of princess? Yes.
The princess was very beautiful. She was very kind and generous, and she was also a great athlete.
Okay. Next candidate. How did Lord Shiva bless the young prince?
Lord Shiva was much pleased with his devotion. He appeared the young prince before the pleased for his victory.
Sir,
Victory.
sir,
Yes, Ragini.
And blessed him for his victory.
बोले ही थे.
He blessed my him.
sir,
Yes, Vaibhav.
Lord Shiva was very blessed, very pleased with the great devotion made by the prince, and he thought to bless him much. He appeared before the prince and gave him his blessings, and the prince wished before the god to win the race.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
and give him 3 pulses.
Give him 3 pearls. Next. Where did the young prince go in the morning of the race?
The young prince go in the ancient temple of Lord in the morning of the race.
Sir,
Lord Shiva.
Lord Shiva. Same chapter? Which chapter?
ये चैप्टर है
The magic pearls.
The magic pearls.
Chapter 5.
Okay.
5.
Next. What condition was put for the prince by the king to marry his daughter?
The condition was who can beat his daughter in the race, he can marry with his daughter.
Next. What did Prince Monica think before picking up the last pearl?
The Prince Monica think before picking up the last pulse that she could win the race before picking up the pulse.
Yes. Next. Who won the race?
The prince won the race because the princess was trapped by the beauty of the pearl.
Next. Who had a quarrel?
Mountain and square had a quarrel.
Mountain and
Squirrel.
Squirrel had a quarrel. Okay. Now I'm ask random question. Okay. जिसको भी आंसर करता हो. Yes, question. Yes, Nishan.
According to the squirrel, all the sorts of things and weather make up together to make a year and a spare.
Next. Which work a mountain cannot do? Yes, Urvashi.
A mountain cannot crack a nut.
Mountain cannot crack a nut. Okay. Next. What did Sagar describe to Rohit about the world outside the window? Yes.
The Sagar described to Rohit about the world outside the window. There is a lovely park and a lake. There children were playing with a board and ducks were playing on the lake.
Next. Why was Rohit appalled? Who was blind? Priyanshu.
Rohit was appalled because he don't know that Sagar was blind.
Yes, Ragini.
Rohit appalled because what he saw, there was a blank wall. Sagar was blind.
Sagar was blind. Okay, next. Who was Humayun? What had happened to him? Yes.
Humayun was the son of Babur. Humayun was seriously ill.
Seriously ill.
Sir,
Yes, Urvashi.
Humayun was the only son of Babur. One day he fell seriously ill.
I want to add.
Yes.
Day by day his conditions grew worse, and Babar called eminent doctors from various countries to cure the disease.
Okay, next. Why did the doctor say that Humayun's throat was swollen and closed? Patyus.
The doctor poured the medicine in the throat of Humayun. The medicine flowed out, and then doctor said that Humayun's throat was swollen and clogged.
Very good. Second last question. What did Babur pray? Yes, Priyanshu.
Babur prayed that at any cost, Humayun become normal and become healthy.
Yes.
Babur prayed, I Jalaluddin Babur, here offer my own life to Allah Almighty, save my dearest son Humayun life. May I die and Humayun live life forever.
Okay, last question. Why did Rahul haul off broadside of pebbles at Hainas? Yes.
Rahul heard a broadside of pebbles at Hainas because he wanted to save the lion cub.
Anyone want to add something? No. Okay, answer is complete. So, our literature section is also complete. After some time, we announce winner. Okay, thank you.